All right, you guys, Greasy here again. How to pick stocks. How do you know which ones to get? So for me, I do my research with picking stocks. I don't just pick anything. So you got to put your mind in the market, um, put your mind in the economy, and think about what is in high demand, what will be in high demand in the future. So an example of that would be like EVs, electric vehicles. They're in high demand right now, and as we know, California is gonna ban gasoline, the sale of gasoline motors by like 2030, I think, or 2035. So knowing something like that should tell you, look, they're not gonna be producing gasoline cars anymore, and they're gonna go towards EV, which means Tesla is gonna be blowing up even more than it is already. But you also have to think deeper into Tesla. You have to think deeper into what makes the cars. So you have to think about like what makes the batteries is more what I'm talking about. Like the minerals that are needed, such as lithium, cobalt, copper, nickel, and other minerals as well. So that means you would want to look into mining companies because they're going to be needing to supply Tesla with these things in order to make the batteries and the cars. And that's just an example. There's other fields that you can go into as well, like health. You have to think about, where are people getting sick? What kind of diseases are people getting more? So you know what kind of medicine companies to invest in. And then you have these other things called real estate investment trusts. They're called REITs, and you can invest in real estate as well. You got to remember, you're not picking a stock because you like the stock. Well, you might like it, but you're looking for growth. You know what I mean? So you could double, triple, quadruple your money. And if you want to get into stocks and know which ones to pick, also you want to listen to the news. You know what I mean? Yahoo or CNBC or whatever it is, whoever's talking about stocks and money and whatnot, and listen to them. And another tip is, whenever you're listening to stock people talk and listen whatnot, always listen to multiple people. Don't take one person's advice. Always listen to hella different people. That way you weigh out your options as you feel good about. You know what I mean? Also, if you don't want to just get one stock, you can invest in a thing called an ETF, an exchange traded fund. An ETF is basically like a collection of all these stocks into one that's managed by experts. I'm going to get into more detail about that in future videos, but guys, please like and follow. And I'm going to have more videos coming up on some hella good shit.